We are presting LLUVIA Pillion Footrest for Aerox 155. This footrest adds comfort and safety to your pillion. The footrests have a left side and a right side, and both sides are available. Made out of strong steel, precision crafted by laser cutting. This is a custom sporty footrest designed for pillion, especially ladies, who may feel less secure while riding on the insanely powerful Yamaha Aerox 155. Also, this footrest is very easy to install. Takes less than 15 minutes. Added benefits. Though this is a functional product, LLUVIA took the opportunity to make the custom footrest a fashion statement, one that complements the invigorating style of the Aerox moto scooter. Made out of strong steel, precision crafted by laser cutting, the LLUVIA Pillion Footrest is as sturdy and trendy as it can get. We have engineered it only as a support for the foot while sitting, in order to make the product as lightweight as possible. So please be careful in loading the footrest. Visit LLUVIA Industries.